Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the basics. Now start. First, make sure your repo access is working and SSH keys are configured. Then pick the bot type you need, GitHub Actions for CI, Probot for App Logic, or Dependabot for dependencies, and grant only necessary permissions. Once chosen, create a feature branch and add the bot configuration file under. GitHub. Commit a minimal workflow or app manifest so you have a concrete change to test. This accelerates feedback and avoids guessing. Now configure behavior and test. Start by specifying triggers, push, pull request, schedule, or repository dispatch, so the bot runs only when intended. Next, implement handlers or workflow steps and reference secrets securely, never hard code tokens. Once written, run local emulation with Act for Actions or expose a dev server with ngrok for webhook apps. Watch logs closely. Fix errors, tighten permissions, and rerun until results match expectations. Because reliable automation depends on repeatable, observable. Finish by deploying and setting safeguards. Merge your tested changes into main with branch protection enabled so required checks run. Then monitor the bot via the Actions tab, App Logs, and Audit Events. Set alerts for failures to stay informed. If something breaks, revert the change if needed, inspect logs for the failing step, reproduce locally, and check permissions or API rate limits. Make small fixes, redeploy, and confirm behavior. This iterative approach prevents regressions and keeps automation stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.